Good day, viewers. Welcome to AB Studio. Today we'll be discussing how to use the Canva app. First, you can go to the Play Store to download your Canva app. But I've downloaded the Canva app already. So what I'll just do is I'll just click on the Canva app to open the app. It's opening. As the as the app is opening, let me quickly take you guys through what the Canva app is used for. Canva app is a design tools that basically you can use for designing. But the Canva tools give you a template that you can use to design. Like for example, you want to design a flyer, a logo, a video and everything. It gives you a template. So your own duty is just to pick a template that suits your taste, edit it and export it for use. So as you can see on the screen, you can see different templates. You can see posters, you can see flyers, you can see Facebook posts, stories, logos, certificates and the likes. So what you just do is you just pick one template that you need, edit it, and you are good to go. So let's pick one. For example, let's pick this. Is loading. Good. So can you guys see that this is a template on its own? So to edit the template, what you just do is you click on each of the aspects you want to edit. Like this, let me want to edit this. I want to edit the image. I want to edit the site, the phone number, the name of the person handling the presentation, the date and time. So what I'll just do is you click on what you want to work on. So let's work on the business webinar marketing strategy. As you can see, you can click on edit. Okay, let's say click on the second one. Third one. As you can see, I've edited that, and I want to edit the date. Click on the date, click on edit, 18th May 2022. Now the time, click on edit, 7 p.m. As you can see, our as you can see, it's giving us the desired result. So basically, Canva gives you a variety of templates. You just pick from the template, you edit to your taste, and you are good to go. So without any skill of the graphic design, you can edit using your Canva app and export it, and your design is good to go. Now the next thing is that I want to edit the image in the circle. What I'll do is just click on the image and click on replace. It will direct you to your gallery where you can pick the image you want. Maybe by then maybe you have downloaded the image already in your gallery, or if you want to use that specific image, you can use it. But at times, the image on the design always have Canva watermark, so it's advisable you download the app, the image you want to use first before you start working on your Canva app. Okay, I want to use this. As you can see, our image have changed. So what next now is just to export your image so that you can be able to use it. So what you do is you come to the download button here, click on download, then you click on save here. So Canva is exporting our design. Good. So our design is ready. So you can just visit gallery. You can see our design is available here now, so you can use your design for anything you want to use. Thank you. Kindly click the subscribe button for more videos.